Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Friends, today I've come with a new maths question. See the question. Whole square root a, whole square root a, whole square root a and whole square root a equal to 15. What will be the value of a? See friend, in which way these questions can be solved. See the trick. So here we can write like that. A power half, a power 1 by 4, a power 1 by 8, and a power 1 by 16. So here we can write like that. A power half plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 16 equal to 15. So friends, here the LCM will be 16. So we can write here like that. So a to the power 15 by 16 equal to 15. So a equal to 15 power 16 by 15. So a equal to 16. The answer will be 16. Thank you friend. To watch this video, please subscribe the channel.